Welcome to Sips by Phee, where simple living meets everyday wisdom. Life in the village is calm, quiet, and deeply intentional. Here, we don't rush. We don't panic when there is no fridge. We simply live and use the wisdom that has always been here. Not everything needs electricity. In the village, we rely on patience, shade, and simple understanding. Fruits ripen naturally. Vegetables stay fresh. Eggs keep well. And healing plants wait quietly until they are needed. This is how our grandparents lived, and it still works. Some foods and herbs simply need air, shade, and time. We dry them slowly without rushing the process. This keeps their strength, their aroma, and their healing power. No chemicals, no pressure, just patience. Cool shaded places do what refrigerators do gently. Clay pots, baskets, and quiet corners protect food naturally. Even small wisdoms matter, like using a ripe banana to help avocados ripen in their own time. Nature already knows what to do. Another secret of village life, we don't store excess. We cook what we need. We honor food by not wasting it. Village living reminds me of something important. Life doesn't need to be complicated to be beautiful. Sometimes the simplest ways are the wisest. Live simply with me, one day at a time.